Today I will take direct online starter, which is used for starting of single phase motor and protection it under abnormal conditions. The dual starter consists of contactor, MCB and on-off switch along with a overload relay or thermal overload relay and overload relay due to increase of current. So its construction is very simple. It is shown in the diagram. In diagram you see this is the contactors, this is the main switch, this is the starting button, and this is the starting button and this is the off button. Okay, stop button. So when we want to start the motor, you start it from that side by green button. It will start and motor supply will be started by pulling this plunger to connect these three switches. This is 3-point supply, and this particular starter can be used for single phase as well as 3-phase motor. So this plunger is attracted, so the circuit is completed from the main supply and it is given to the motor and motor is started. Whenever there is a overloading of motor takes place, then thermal overload relay will operate and this will de-energize this coil, and this particular plunger is de-energized by this coil and this will be pushed back, so circuit is open. So motor is started under this condition. This is the motor which is connected to this starter. So this is the simplest form of dual starter which is used for single phase as well as for 3-phase. The main contacts are there. They are taped from the bus bar RYB shown at the top, from where this supply is coming to the MCB or fuse cutout, and from there it is connected to these particular 3 points which is the connected through the plunger. So these 3 points are connected like this. So plunger is attracted towards this coil. So total supply is on from this. The RYB will come here, and from this it is connected through these 3 points, and which is connect the motor. So motor start running, and after running the motor it will continuously run, and whenever there is a overload occur or short supply occur due to shorting of any 2 wire from line to phase, phase to neutral or phase to earth, then immediately the plunger will be pushed back and the motor will stop and the motor is protected. So this particular type of starter is normally used for single phase induction motor for single phase, and this same starter can be used for 3-phase motor also. The rating of this starter is up to 5 HP motors. Up to 5 HP motor we can use easily this dual starter. That is, dual starter means direct online starter. Only there is a MCB or main switch come in between the starter and motor, and other mechanism is there inside built in the starter. Though there are contactors, these contactors are shown by vertical lines, and supply is given from supply to contactors and contactors to motor. These contactors are operated by a coil which is getting from single phase supply up to 30 volt from the side, and whenever we start, we will push the start button or we press the start button, then immediately this coil will be energized and it attract the plungers. So contactors are connected this point is shorted with this point is shorted with this point, and this point is shorted with this point. So when this shorting of point is done, then the supply is getting up to the motor. So supply is obtained up to the motor like this, and then motor start working. And whenever there is a short circuit occur in the motor, or there is a overload occur in the motor, then current will increase through any one phase or all the three phase. There is a thermal overload relay is connected in one phase. So due to overloading, the thermal relay operate, and this will de-energize this particular coil. So this coil will release this plunger back to the off position, and motor will be stopped, and the motor is protected from the fault or any overload conditions. So this is a simple working of the dual starter. There are so many other accessories are also connected in the starter, but it is not shown in this. This is the simplest diagram of a starter. In your exam, you will get this particular problem for 10 marks or even 20 marks to draw the diagram of dual starter and explain its functioning. So you can easily draw this diagram by watching it from the board and write down its working. Working principle is very simple. As I have told you, supply from the RYB bus bar is taken to the contactor, and contactor through a MCB or a main switch. In old time there was main switch was used, but nowadays MCB is used in between contactor and the supply bus bar. So whenever we want to on the supply, then we on the main switch or MCB first, then motor starter button which is of green color, it is pressed. So this contactor will come in contact with the supply, and it short both the point from upper side and lower side, which connect the supply to the motor, and motor will start running, and it will run continuously in normal conditions. And whenever there is a overload when the motor is happen, then thermal relay will energize the coil to in the opposite direction, so that this plunger will be pulled back to the original position and motor will stop. And similarly, whenever there is any type of short circuit is occur in the motor or fault occur on the motor, then also this particular coil which is shown on this side, it is de-energized, and this de-energization of the coil will release these total contactors to the off position, and motor will stop. So this is a simple working of this particular type of starter, which is normally functioning for up to 5 HP motors, and mostly for single phase it is useful. All the motors which are more than 5 HP and they are operating on 3 phase, then we are using star delta starter, and further higher HP motor there is auto transformer starter also, and there is a starter of many other types is available in the market for the higher HP motor. But so far as we are concerned with the single phase motor, this direct online starter is normally useful for this motor. So this is all about the direct online starter. Its diagram completely from the starter bus bar to the motor, and in between this is a very simple working principle is there, in which only this plunger or contactor is attracted and de-attracted by this coil by energization of the one phase which is obtained from the supply side. And whenever the push button of green color is on, then motor is started, and whenever you want to off the motor, then this stop button will be used for stopping the motor. So this is stop button and this is start button. So when you want to start the motor, you on that button, and when you want to stop the motor, you press this stop button. So motor will be disconnected. So this is all about the DOL starter and its diagram.